I want you to see some of the things that I bought. I went shopping for my hair just to get some new things. Sometimes it's just good to just go to the store and just buy some new, fresh things. So here we go. I got some new twist ties. They're actually called 18 pieces elastics or Scunchie #1 hair accessory brand. And this is a medium hold. So that's what the actual name of these are. But I got some of these. They were buy one, get one half off. And then I got 2 sets of these. I showed you these in the other video. But I got 2 sets because they were also buy one, get one half off. And I've got them right here in my hair. And like I said, I got 2 sets. Got a new brush. I thought it was time to get a new brush so I could brush my hair. And then it came with the comb. And I got all this at Walmart. This was like $1.98. These, I think, were about $3 a piece with about, I think it was about $3 a piece for these. So these were $3. And these were, I think these were $1.98. So they were about $2 or maybe $1.50, somewhere between $1.50 and $2. And these were like $3, I believe. But I got these so that I would have some fresh things. And like I said, this was $1.98. And then this was about $5. It was like $4.83. But I got this because I was looking for just a regular one like I usually show you that I have. And they didn't have anymore. They were out. But this is kind of cute though, I thought, because this is called a Moroccan bonnet. So I thought that would be good to try this and see how cute it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Try to open it up. I got my scissors right here. So let's see if I can get into this box. Make sure there's not another way to get in here. Wow. They really have this. They've got this in there. So I can just kind of try to get this open so I can show you what it looks like. Because I'm curious as well. I mean, this thing is, it's like it's glued shut. I can't just reach in there. I thought I could just reach in here and grab it. But I'm telling you, they got this thing kind of tight. So here is the bonnet. Nice size. It doesn't look quite like the picture. So here's the picture right here. The picture has different colors, so I was thinking I was going to be getting the different colors, but then here it says assorted prints. Oh, I didn't realize I was supposed to look at the print from the inside. But I'll try another one when I go back to Walmart. So let's just see what it looks like on. It's nice, snug fit. The fit is snug. That way I don't have to worry about it coming off, because a lot of times bonnets kind of come off. These satin bonnets will come off because they're so soft and smooth. So I'm going to push my hair up in there. Okay. My earring got caught in there too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's definitely a nice snug fit, around here, but not too snug. So this is good though, as far as like, I'm pretty sure this will stay on. I won't have any problems with it coming off at night. So this is what it looks like right here. Take it off. So like I said, this was about $5 with tax, like $4.83. So this is the bonnet. So I got some new things to show you. Wanted to get some new fresh things to show you on my videos. I hope you're having a great day. But this is the bonnet. And then like I said, this is the brush. Okay, they got that. Everything's all packed nicely here. So I'll cut this off. Cut this off. Wow, they know how to pack things out. So I've got a new brush. Look at this brush. I usually get Goody brand, G-O-O-D-Y. The brand that I usually buy is Goody. But they didn't have any brushes like this. But usually the Goody one is really good. So this is Equate. This is Walmart's brand. So I'll try this one and see how it does. So I'll take these Dipsy Doos out. And then my new comb my hair, comb it. And then, so you can massage it still, or just use the brush. The brush is good for stimulating those hair follicles. So the brushing is good for stimulating the follicles, which in turn should help to grow your hair. And it feels really good too. This is a nice one. So this Equate brush, even though it's just a Walmart brand, it's still good. I like the way it feels. And the price is great because like I said, I got a comb and this brush for $1.98. Ooh, really feels good. Yeah, I like that one. That kitchen area. Remember I told you this part is called the kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Do you call this the kitchen? Did you all grow up calling this area back here the kitchen? I'm just curious to know if it was just a southern thing or to know if other people in other places as well called it the kitchen. So I'm just brushing it some more. I mean, it really feels good. Somebody in the comments for one of my last videos told me that they don't have a man to do to put their hands through their hair. And I told them, I said, hey, you're better off. You can do it yourself. So then you don't have to wait on anybody. You can just do it when you want to do it. So just do it yourself if you don't have a male person. Yep, if you don't have a male person, do it yourself. Ooh. My hair is starting to flake up a little bit. So sometimes I do have a little dry scalp. But I brush that area. And I can just see a few flakes coming. So I need to stay hydrated. So always have your water handy so you can drink water. And just brush your hair for a little bit. Don't brush it too hard. You don't want to hurt it. You don't want to hurt your scalp. Just brush it normally. Just to kind of like have that nice sensation where you know you've brushed your hair nicely. And got to my little so if I was going to go walking, I'd just put one of those little cute little bands on. What do you call these? These are called Ponytailers. So if I was going to go walking right now, I would just put it in a ponytail. And then I would go walking. Walking is good exercise, water, drinking water. And then if I was going to bed, I were going to bed right now, I put this all, comb it all back. And if you have short hair, if your hair is short, then you just wear it, hey, just wear it as it is. I mean, it's nice having short hair where you can just wear it anyway. You don't have to worry about putting it up. Put a little, I put a little red here. I've got on blue and white, so put a little red. Kind of get patriotic. So if I were going to go to bed, I would just comb it all back and then put it into kind of like a ponytail, but like this, just like this, just Betty Boo. I call it the Betty Boo. Just do it like that, and then when I get ready to get into the bed, then I will put the bonnet on so that, you know, the oils kind of stay in there as long as possible, and so that your hair is just kind of flat and ready to go. And then if I kind of want to be a little fancy and cute for bed, and sometimes you should want to be cute going to bed. So then I kind of go back to the style that I had when you all first started watching the video. I hope you're still with me. In the comments, let me know what you do with your hair at night. People are always wanting to know what people are doing. So this time I'll just put a little red in there. So we got the red, and then I just kind of put it up a little bit just so it won't be. And these are styles. Hey, if you have daughters that have hair long enough to make it to part in two and put it up, then you could just have them like flat iron their hair, blow dry and flat iron it. Like, don't put the chemicals on it if you can help it. You know, don't put a perm in the hair, because little kids' hair is so delicate. So now, hey, I got my hair ready. I got it ready for bed. And I always think that this is a cute way to wear it to bed, by just putting these little dipsy-doos in there like that. And if you have like children, have girls that have the long hair, and after you blow dry it, flat iron it, you can put their hair into a ponytail and, you know, just try to keep the chemicals off of their hair. So this is it. So I just wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how I had gone shopping to get some new things for my hair. Maybe you might want to go and get some new things for your hair. Just get some fresh things to start the week out with, some new things for your hair. And so the brush and comb came together. These I got, or these, whatever you prefer, but just showing you what things that I use that I have found very helpful. Because like I told you, rubber bands, those tend to cut. They cut your hair. This might, you might have some hair that might come out a little bit if your hair sheds, but it won't be nearly as bad as it is when you have the rubber band. So this is much better. And then the bonnet. And so next time when I buy a new bonnet, I'll know to check right here. I didn't realize that. I was just assuming that this bonnet was going to be just like the picture. I didn't read the little fine print right here that said that there were assorted prints. But I actually like this. I like this black and white one though, because it will go with everything. So I don't have to worry about, having a certain color on if you're a person that likes to match, even going to bed. So this goes with everything. And if I had gotten the one that I thought I was getting, then I would have had these purples in there, and there would have been some orange, and then some gold. So I'm glad I got this one. So it worked out really well. So this is it. I just wanted to share you my shopping trip and then just go over those hairstyles. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm Wanda.